Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Drake and I'm here today to give you guys a video on my M235i. Today we are putting on the new wheels, and also I'm going to be providing like a series of different clips and just pretty much showing the process that I've been going through for the past like numerous of months. The last video I left off on was me installing my Turner Motorsports cold side and hot side charge pipes. From that point I haven't updated anyone or really shown what I've done to the car. The car has been lowered, the car's looking nice to the calipers and everything, so bringing along this journey of just a fun day in general. Like today's gonna be a great day. I'm getting my stud conversion kit from Keys Motorsports finally, and I'm finally putting on my new wheels. So I'll give you guys a little sneak peek before, boom. Actually, we'll give you a little more. Yeah, HREs. So things been happening for sure, and I'm glad it's finally coming around, and it's nice to pick up a camera again and document this process, because I want to show y'all what I've been doing, but also give you guys some good information that you might not know or might not have at your front, and right in front of you. So yeah, so right now, like I said, I'm waiting for my package from MotorSports Hardware. I'm getting them today, and that's when I'll be putting on my wheels. So pretty much today's just gonna be a series of me showing you putting on my wheels, my studs, putting on my wheels, cleaning the car. Hell yeah, man, I'm just excited. So all right guys, so once I get all my shit situated, I'm gonna go down to the car and then I'll pick up on the video from there. So right now I'm on the way to the shop. I'm heading over to GNC Tire and Auto Service. It's a local shop here in Virginia that I'm trying out for the first time. Honestly, I feel like it's gonna go really well. I spoke to the owner, and he's been very insightful, providing me with really good information. So it should be a good time getting these wheels on, or just a good results. But yeah, so luckily enough, I was able to order the tires through them. They're able to get my car aligned, program the TPMS sensors, and take care of me pretty much on everything I need to do. So can't wait to see how it all goes. Today I'm just dropping off the wheels. It's Thursday today. I'm just dropping off the wheels to get all that situated, because I actually ordered a stud conversion kit from Keys Motorsports to replace the lug bolts on the OEM, that's what German cars always do. But I went to replace those, to try those out and see how that goes. So since I messed up on my order, I actually ordered stud conversion kit for an E series instead of an S series, so I have to get that situated. Hopefully, I would say by next week they should be here, beginning of next week. I called yesterday to get all that resolved, but comes to find out they're already out for delivery this morning, so I know for sure they weren't able to switch them out. But get all that situated, and yeah, can't wait to see how these wheels are gonna look with the new tires. I'm excited. All right guys, so it's the next day. I just picked up the wheels. Got the new tires. New tires look perfect, look so good. I'm very excited. I can't wait to put these things on. So when I get home, I'm gonna test fit, but we got the wheels and we're good to go. That's all I care about. So I'm heading over to Home Depot to pick up some tools that I need in order to put on my stud conversion kit. So luckily enough, in the time of me getting ready, USPS came through and delivered my studs. So once I'm done with Home Depot, I'm gonna come back to the house or the garage and put these joints on. So let's get it. All right, so I just got the parts I needed, or the tools I needed, from Home Depot. I got this 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, and then a 5mm Allen socket. Got that, and then I got my thread locker. Need this because this will make sure it's tight and snug at all times. And also the main thing is my studs. Got these. Shout out to MotorSports Hardware for sending these out as soon as possible when I struggled to order the wrong ones, so thank you for that. So right now going back to the apartment and put these damn wheels on, man. Let's put these things on. I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting. I've been waiting long enough. So we gonna go back, put these in stalls. I need to bring the wheels down, get all that situated, and then from there we are good to go. All right, so we got the first side on. I'm just gonna snug them down to the proper torques. Pretty simple. I mean, all you got to do is put thread locker on the ends of the bolts, and from there you just got to torque them down. So it's pretty simple. Just one side. I got 3 more sides to go, so this is gonna be a bit of a process, especially when it comes to only using a scissor jack to lift up your car. So looking good so far. It's pretty cool to have like studs actually compared to lug bolts. I've always had lug bolts because all the cars I've ever had are German cars, so this is definitely gonna be a new thing, and I know I'm gonna like it. So if you don't already know, my car is X-Drive, so I actually went with the staggered setup, which a lot of people wouldn't do with an X-Drive car. But if you configure it properly, I mean, you can make it happen. I mean, I've driven, I would say, about 20 miles, and I haven't had a single issue because I properly, used the tire calculator to be sure that, the wheel configuration or the tire configuration I'm going with would not have an issue at all. So with the front, I went with 225/40. The wheel is a 19/8.5 with a 30 offset. And with the rear, I went with 19/9 with a 255/35. So it's definitely a meatier setup. It's definitely something that's needed for this car because this car already doesn't have the most, body linings like how, an M2 would have. But with this car and some fat wheels, it definitely brings the car out, makes it more alive. And I'm very satisfied with this look because it's just the front looks so much more aggressive, like poking out more. So I want to add a little bit more yellow to it because obviously, I want to bring the yellow out more and just bring out that black. But I know for sure, doing this little modification right here, I would say a month ago I ended up painting the calipers yellow and they came out really well. Shout out to my boy Joey for the help. But other than that, everyone, I mean, the car is working out really well. I'm very satisfied on how it's coming so far. It's nice to, add on some new shoes and get rid of the OEM alloys. So, hell yeah, man.